Ever feel like your projects, tasks, and ideas are scattered everywhere? Imagine if you could see all of them in one simple view. Introducing Trello. Trello is a visual project management tool that makes organizing tasks easy. It's built around boards, lists, and cards so you can track progress at a glance. And this is perfect for personal projects, work teams, or side hustles. You can sign up for free to Trello by clicking the link down in the description and start working and organizing your businesses and tasks today. With Trello, you can move tasks around with drag and drop, set deadlines, assign team members, and keep everything on track. It works seamlessly with tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Dropbox. Trello helps you break big goals into smaller, actionable steps. You can start from a message and get into action. Whether you're launching a side hustle or planning content or even managing schoolwork, you'll always know your next step. 75% of organizations report that Trello delivers value to their business within 30 days. And why it stands out? Because it's flexible enough to fit any workflow, from simple to advanced. Trello makes productivity visual, simple, and even fun to stick with it. Trello is free to start and grows with you as your projects expand. It works across desktop and mobile, so you're always on top of your tasks, and it's great for both solo work and team collaboration. Some use cases you can use Trello with is for marketing teams or product management, or even engineering, design teams, startups, or any area of your company and any industry you may be in. You can use Trello to streamline, organize, and make tasks more effective. And some of the biggest corporations out there use Trello already. Of course, staying organized is one thing, but to actually grow, you need the right skills to fuel your projects. Skillshare has thousands of classes in design, productivity, business, and more. You learn directly from top industry professionals. You have classes hands-on with projects and peer feedback. Use my link down in the description, and the first 500 people get 1 month free to start exploring. Now, let's get back to the video. Our team has curated a class recommendation tailored to AI Brain and their audience. First one is ChatGPT for Creatives, AI-powered SEO, marketing, and productivity. Second class is using AI and ChatGPT for content creation, from planning to uploading. And number 3 is VO3 in Canva, cinematic AI videos made simple. Now, on number 5 video of this class, ChatGPT for Creatives, AI-powered SEO, marketing, and productivity, let's watch a bit of it together.
Keep the output content fresh and engaging, but most importantly, very relevant. So the first and easiest way to alter ChatGPT's writing style is by changing the prompts, since AI generates responses based on the prompts.
And it's an amazing course. It has 11 lessons, all to the point, to learn about ChatGPT for Creatives. And then you also have using AI and ChatGPT for content creation, from planning and uploading. And you can see these videos quality with this teacher.
Artificial intelligence and how to utilize this huge computing power of AI and ChatGPT have seen exponential results, while those who don't are just left behind. Now, when I was introduced to this concept of utilizing the power of ChatGPT and artificial intelligence for content.
And last but not least is the course of VO3 in Canva, which helps you create cinematic videos simple. And it looks like that, to the point and helpful.
And I came to ChatGPT where I prompted the following: help me come up with a series of 5 scenes to create a little AI video. I will then generate each of the scenes with Google VO3.
The first 500 people to use my link in the description or scan the QR code will receive a 1 month free trial of Skillshare plus 20% off your first year. Get started today. Stay organized with Trello and keep your projects moving forward. And if you also want to level up your skills, check out Skillshare with the link down in the description. Start organizing and creating today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel. And leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.